Solving problems using algorithms and flowcharts. Some examples are given below to solve the problems using algorithms and flowcharts. Example 1. Write an algorithm and draw a flowchart to check whether a given number is even or odd. Algorithm. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Read number. Step 3. Check if number modulus 2 is 0, then print number is even, else print number is odd. Step 4. Stop. Flowchart. Start. Read a number. Is number modulus 2 is equal to 0? Yes. Print number is even. No. Print number is odd. Stop. Example 2. Write an algorithm and draw a flowchart to find the smallest in two numbers a and b. Algorithm. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Read two numbers and store them in a and b. Step 3. Compare numbers a and b. If a is less than b, then print a is smallest, else print b is smallest. Step 4. Stop. Flowchart. Start. Read a and b. If a is less than b, yes, print a is smallest. If a is less than b, no, print b is smallest. Stop. Example 3. Write an algorithm and draw a flowchart to add first 100 natural numbers. Algorithm. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Let sum is equal to 0 and n is equal to 0. Step 3. N is equal to n plus 1. Step 4. Sum is equal to sum plus n. Step 5. Check if n is greater than equal to 100. Then print sum, else go to step 3. Step 6. Stop. Flowchart. Start. Sum is equal to 0. N is equal to 0. N is equal to n plus 1. Sum is equal to sum plus n. Is n greater than equal to 100? No. Go back. N is equal to n plus 1. Sum is equal to sum plus n. Is n greater than equal to 100? Yes. Print sum. Stop. Example 4. Write an algorithm and draw a flowchart to calculate the factorial of a number. Algorithm. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Read the number n. Step 3. Let I is equal to 1. Fact is equal to 1. Check if I is less than equal to n. Then repeat step 5 and 6 until I is equal to n. Step 5. Fact is equal to fact multiplied by I. Step 6. I is equal to I plus 1. Step 7. Print fact. Step 8. Stop. Flowchart. Start. Read n. I is equal to 1. Fact is equal to 1. Is I less than equal to n? No. Print fact. Stop. Is I less than equal to n? Yes, fact is equal to fact multiplied by I. I is equal to I plus 1.